Day 19. Master describing places and directions like a pro. Lesson. Focus. Want to speak English fluently. When describing places, need to give directions without confusion. Today, we'll unlock powerful phrases that will make your English sound natural and confident. Watch till the end for an exciting challenge. Let's begin. How to describe places like a native. Use adjectives and to make your descriptions vivid and engaging. Cities. New York, a bustling city with huge skyscrapers. Rome, a historic place with breathtaking architecture. Tokyo, a futuristic city full of bright neon lights. Parks. Central Park, a peaceful green space for relaxation. Hyde Park, a beautiful spot with lovely gardens. Malls. Dubai Mall, a massive shopping paradise. Mall of America, a vibrant place with endless stores and attractions. Which place would you love to visit? Comment below. Must-know phrases for directions. Common directions. Go straight on for 200 meters. Turn left-right at the traffic light. It's opposite the bank. Walk past the supermarket and you'll find it on your right. Take the second street on the left. Asking for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the nearest cafe? Can you tell me where the shopping mall is? Where's the train station? Quick challenge. Can you give directions to a famous landmark in your city? Comment below. Challenge time. Can you fill in the blanks? 1. The museum is next to on opposite the park. 2. Go. Say left-right at the roundabout. 3. The cinema is behind in front of the shopping mall. 4. The cafe is far near from here. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who gets them all right. Boost your English fluency. Take action. Now. Missed any lessons? Go check them out. Want daily English tips? Hit that subscribed button now. Tell us, what's your favorite place and why? Drop a comment, like if you found this helpful. Share with friends learning English. Subscribe for more fun English lessons. Stay tuned for day 20. See you in the next lesson.